Welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 3rd of May. And first of all, national news. 135 Indians left Sudan on board IAF aircraft as Operation Kaveri continues. Cyclonic circulation likely over southeast Bay of Bengal by May 6, weather report. Budget airline Go First will stop flights on Wednesday and Thursday due to a severe fund shortage. Sources: Go First offered full refund after cancelling flights over next 3 days. India Maldives tied truly special, withstood test of time, Rajnath Singh. 90% crimes due to migrant workers. Goa made labour cards mandatory. Now, international news. British man broke Guinness record for most flesh tunnels on face. Israeli President Isaac Herzog will walk to the coronation of King Charles. Operation Kaveri: 231 Indians evacuated from Sudan land in Ahmedabad. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval met Iran President in Tehran. Elon Musk fleet of jets produce over 2,000 tons of CO2 emissions, a report said. Now, sports news. KL Rahul's injury, big concern for LSG as they get ready for CSK challenge. BCCI announced punishment for Gautam Gambhir Virat Kohli following on field spat. Punjab Kings to test Mumbai Indians class in crucial IPL game. India dethroned Australia as number 1 test team in ICC rankings ahead of WTC final. News related to business. Tata Steel January to March net profit fallen 84% to rupees 1566 crore. The deadline to apply for higher pensions under the Employees Pension Scheme ends on May 3rd. India China to contribute half of global growth this year, IMF report. Rupee rose 10 paise to 81.72 against US dollar in early trade. World Bank board to vote on US nominee Ajay Banga tomorrow on 3rd May, a report said. Over 19,000 undersea volcanoes discovered with radar satellite data. And dermatologists in the US have detected the world's smallest skin cancer, measuring just 0.65 mm. Scientists developed artificial intelligence powered non-invasive tool that can read your mind. And that's all in news. Thank you.